Have you ever wondered what actually happens inside a tick after it drinks your dog's blood? Before we dive deep into this creepy little world, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like, because what you're about to hear will change how you see ticks forever. So let's start with that one horrifying moment, when a tiny tick finally latches onto your dog's skin. You might think it's just drinking blood, but inside that little creature, a whole biological drama begins, one that's both fascinating and disturbing. The moment a tick's mouthparts pierce the skin, something incredible happens. It injects a special saliva cocktail, a mix of painkillers, anticoagulants, and immune suppressors. This means your dog doesn't feel the bite, the blood doesn't clot, and the immune system doesn't fight back. It's like the tick just hacked nature's defense system. But here's where it gets even more shocking. As the tick starts feeding, its body begins to transform. The abdomen, which was flat like a seed, starts swelling like a balloon. In some species, it can grow up to 100 times its original size. Imagine that. A creature the size of a sesame seed turning into a bloated blood sac within days. Inside this tiny monster, blood isn't just stored, it's processed. The tick's digestive system goes into overdrive. Specialized gut cells start breaking down the blood, separating red cells, plasma, and nutrients. The tick even filters out excess water. That's why you'll sometimes notice a shiny droplet near a feeding tick. It's literally spitting out water to concentrate your dog's blood nutrients for long-term storage. And here's the creepy twist. A tick can feed for days, sometimes up to 10 days straight. During that time, its gut fills with a dark, syrupy mixture of blood and bacteria. Yes, bacteria, because as it feeds, pathogens like Borrelia, which causes Lyme disease, or Ehrlichiosis, can quietly multiply inside. The tick's gut becomes a biological factory, digesting blood and growing deadly microorganisms at the same time. Now imagine this. The tick doesn't have a normal digestive flow like other animals. Instead, its gut acts like a maze of interconnected cells, each cell digesting a bit of blood inside it. The nutrients are absorbed directly into the tick's body through cell walls. It's an ancient, efficient system designed to make sure not a single drop of your dog's blood goes to waste. While this is happening, the tick's salivary glands are also working non-stop. These glands are like chemical laboratories. They mix anesthetics, anti-inflammatory agents, and anticoagulants that keep the blood flowing smoothly. In fact, tick saliva is so complex that scientists are still discovering new molecules in it, some of which could one day help create new medicines for humans. But there's a darker side to all this science. When a tick finishes feeding, it doesn't just fall off and rest. That blood becomes the energy source for its next life stage, whether it's laying thousands of eggs or transforming into a larger, hungrier adult. And here's the disturbing fact. One female tick can lay up to 5,000 eggs after a single blood meal. So, that one little parasite on your dog could be the start of a massive infestation. But let's go deeper inside. The tick's midgut is not sterile. It's alive with microbes. Some are harmless symbionts that help digest blood, but others are deadly pathogens waiting for their next host. When the tick bites again, maybe another dog, or even a human, those pathogens can move from the tick's gut into its saliva, and that's how diseases spread. Think about it. The tick becomes a walking biological syringe, carrying viruses, bacteria, and parasites, transferring them from one host to another without any visible sign. And what's even scarier? A tick can survive months, even a year, without feeding again. All that blood it stored is digested slowly, molecule by molecule, keeping it alive through harsh weather, hunger, or long periods between hosts. That's how resilient these tiny creatures are. So next time you find a tick on your dog, remember, that bloated body is not just full of blood. It's full of biological secrets, microscopic activity, and potentially harmful pathogens. It's like a small, living time bomb. And that's why regular tick prevention is absolutely essential. Whether it's vet-approved sprays, tick collars, or natural remedies, never ignore even a single tick. Because once it starts feeding, there's an entire microscopic world evolving inside that tiny body. And some of it can end up inside your dog too. If you found this fascinating, imagine what else is happening in the unseen world of parasites. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Dr. Uz Health Talk, and turn on the notification bell, because in the next video, we'll uncover what happens to a tick after it dies on your dog. And trust me, that's something you need to know. Stay safe, keep your pets protected, and I'll see you in the next one.